Plowing a rice field with a John Deere 5075E is a masterclass in utility.
Pro tip, this is where you'll appreciate the 5075E's high ground clearance, which keeps the undercarriage from getting bogged down in the heavy muck. The 5075E pulls a drill that drops precise amount of seed into the mud. This is faster and requires less labor than transplanting. The first top dress. Once the rice is about 3 to 4 inches tall, it's time for nitrogen. Hispanic male farmers.
They're about 4 inches now, perfect for the first top dress.
The 5075E is starting the application now, and we should see the green up soon.
Phase 2, the vegetative and reproductive stages. Maintaining the flood. Rice is a thirsty crop.
As the rice matures, the color shifts from deep green to a lime green, and finally to a
Thank you.